How to allow only admins to send messages in a messenger group. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can allow only admins to send messages in a messenger group. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in Messenger, open the group chat where you want only admins to be able to send messages. Now, tap on the group chat name at the top of the screen. This will open the group settings page. From here, scroll down until you find the option called Message Permissions, and tap on it. Inside Message Permissions, look for the option that says Allow Message Sharing. All you need to do now is turn this option off. Make sure the toggle is switched so the circle moves to the left. Once this is turned off, only group admins will be able to send messages, and regular members won't be able to chat anymore. That's it. You've successfully set the group so only admins can send messages in your Messenger group. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.